Hi student, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.2, now problem number 14. A family is using liquefied petroleum gas LPG of weight 14.2 kg for consumption. Full weight 29 kg includes the empty cylinder, a tare weight of 15.3 kg. Tare means it's a counterweight, we are not going to consider that one anyway. The consumption used, that is 14.2 kg, that has to be considered. If it is used with constant rate, then it lasts for 24 days. Okay, 14.2 kg, it lasts for 24 days. Then the new cylinder is replaced. Find the equation relating the quantity of gas in the cylinder to the days. Draw the graph for first 96 days. So consumption of LPG for a family, that is 14.2 kg. Number of days it lost, that is 24. We have to find out the equation relating the quantity of gas in the cylinder to the days. Draw the graph of 96 days. For 96 days, I consider number of days, that is X. Consumption of LPG excluding the weight of empty cylinder. Excluding the weight of empty cylinder, I consider as Y. Okay. Before we use that cylinder, 14.2 kg of gas will be in the cylinder. So that I mentioned 0 days, 14.2 kg of gas will be there. If we use the gas for 24 days, the gas will be empty. So that I mentioned as 0. Okay. So these 2 points will be plotted in a graph. So I have taken number of days in x-axis and consumption of LPG in kilogram in y-axis. The first point 0, 14.2, 0, 14.2, 14.2 somewhere between 14 and 16 I take over here. 0, 14.2. Next 24, 0, 24, 0 on x-axis. Have to join these 2 points. Okay. First subdivision. Equation relating the quantity of gas in the cylinder to the days. First subdivision, required equation is a required equation. I consider the 2 points. Consider 0, 14.2 and 24, 0. 0, 14.2 and 24, 0. So consider as x1, y1, x2, y2. You know that equation of a straight line joining the 2 points, because it's a straight line only. Equation, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, that is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1, that is 14.2 divided by y2 minus y1, 0 minus 14.2, that is equal to x minus x1, that is equal to 0 divided by x2 minus x1, 24 minus 0. That is y minus 14.2 divided by minus 14.2, that is equal to x minus 0, x divided by 24 minus 0, that is 24. Okay. Have to cross multiply, we will be getting y minus 14.2, that is equal to minus 14.2 divided by 24 into x. Which implies y minus 14.2, that is equal to minus 14.2 divided by 24 into x, which implies I retain y in the left hand side. Here minus 14.2 divided by 24 x, it comes right hand side plus 14.2. Here we can change the fraction for eliminating the decimal point. After decimal point we have one digit, so multiply it by 10 and divide by 10. The value will not be changed. So you'll be getting minus 14.2 into 10, that is equal to minus 142 divided by 24 into 10 is 240 into x plus 14.2. Okay, just have changed that decimal point. For that, now we can eliminate 142, sorry, we can simplify 142 and 240 by 2 table, that is 71 and 120. That is y, which implies y that is equal to minus 71 by 120 into x plus 14.2. Okay, subdivision 1 is over. Now subdivision number 2. So this is the book answer. This is of the form y equal to mx plus c. The constant can be a decimal value. Here m represents slope. Slope I have written in the fraction form. Okay. Now we have to draw the graph for 96 days. So draw the graph for 96 days. So that I have taken 0, 24, 48, 72, 96. That is 24 days, 48 days, 72 days and 96 days. Okay. The 0 day, we are taking the new cylinder whose weight is 14.2 kg. It lasts for 24 days. 24 days. Okay. Join these two. This only I have drawn in the previous graph. On the same day, after 24 days, we are replacing the new cylinder, okay, on the same day, whose weight is 14.2 kg. It will last for another 24 days. So 48, 24 plus 24, 48. On 48th day, two cylinders will be empty, correct? Then we'll be replacing the new cylinder on the same day, whose weight is same 14.2 kg. It will last for another 24 days. That means 72 days totally. On 72nd day, 3 cylinders will be empty. Now, on 72nd day, we are replacing the new cylinder whose weight is same 14.2 kg. That will last for another 24 days. That is 72 plus 24 is 96. For each and every 24 days, we are replacing a new cylinder. This type of function is called periodic function. What function it is? Periodic function. It is called a periodic function. It is called a periodic function. Here you have to write the function f of x equal to f of, we are replacing for each and every 24 days x plus 24. Like that you have to mention f of x equal to f of x plus 24. That's all. Problem number 14 is completed. Then I'll be teaching problem number 15 in the next video. Thank you, children.